To get a new insurance card from Blue Cross Blue Shield, follow these steps. First, determine why you need a new card, as this will affect the replacement process. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can request a replacement. If you have recently enrolled in a new plan or made changes to your existing plan, you may also need a new card. Next, log in to your Blue Cross Blue Shield account online or through the mobile app. If you do not have an account, you can create one by visiting the Blue Cross Blue Shield website and following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Member Services or Account Management section, where you will find the option to request a new ID card. If you are unable to access your account online, you can call the Blue Cross Blue Shield customer service number, which can be found on their website or on the back of your old ID card. When you call, be prepared to provide your member ID number and other identifying information to verify your identity. Alternatively, you can also request a new ID card by mail or in person at a local Blue Cross Blue Shield office. To do this, you will need to fill out a form and provide a copy of your identification, such as a driver's license or passport. After requesting a new ID card, it may take several days to arrive in the mail. In the meantime, you can print a temporary ID card from your online account or use a digital version of your ID card on your mobile device. This will ensure that you have access to medical care and can provide proof of insurance when needed. It is essential to keep your ID card up to date, as it serves as proof of insurance and is required for medical services. If you have any questions or concerns about requesting a new ID card, you can contact Blue Cross Blue Shield customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily get a new insurance card from Blue Cross Blue Shield and ensure that you have access to the medical care you need.